Hello everyone. Guys, vegetable of the day is a beetroot. Guys, beetroot is one of the very good options for your parrot because it contains vitamin B9 that helps your cells to grow and function. Okay, be careful when you serve beetroot to your parrot because it's very colory. It will make everything red. So feed your parrot in a safe place with the beetroot. Okay, see, he already wants it. He likes beetroot. But make sure you put beetroot into your parrot's diet. Okay, guys, for more food videos about parrots general, give us subscribe, give us like and comment. See you soon.